All you Datsun guys probably know what this is. It's a 620 dash glove compartment door. This is the topic of the video. Took me forever to figure out how to get this thing out, but there's just a little tiny hole right there, and I use this punch right here, and you just basically stick the punch in there, wiggle it around a little bit, well, it's worked better in rehearsal. And there you go. It's out of there. Push it back in. Just put a little something inside that hole and wiggle it around, and it'll come loose. There we go. That took a lot less time that time. But it's got a little pin right there, and that's what you're releasing. So couldn't find any videos on how to get this thing apart, but that's how you do it, by the little hole in the back. Just stick something in it, wiggle it around, and this will pop out. You don't have to worry about anything flying out or anything. So that's how you get this out of the door. It's very easy.